Good morning, everyone, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jim Scott, and this is your national weather forecast for Saturday, January 24th, 2026. We're watching a very active midwinter pattern across the country today, with cold air holding firm across much of the east, while the west stays quieter and milder in many areas. A broad push of Arctic air continues to influence the plains, Midwest, Great Lakes, and the Northeast. Many locations wake up to single digits and teens, and some spots in the upper Midwest remain near or below zero. Wind chills continue to be the main concern, where breezy conditions persist, especially morning and evening. Cold weather precautions remain important today, so bundle up, limit prolonged exposure, and make sure pets are protected. We are also tracking an area of snow and wintry precipitation, particularly where moisture is in the cold air. Great Lakes, Appalachians, periodic snow showers may continue, and even light accumulations can create slick spots on untreated roads. Central U.S. Storm zone is very active. Some areas dealing with steady snow and pockets of mixed precipitation where warmer air tries to nose its way in. Travel impacts today will depend on exact storm placement, but the general theme is slow down, give extra stopping distance, and plan for changing road conditions. Out west, high pressure keeps many areas dry and relatively quiet. The Southwest and parts of California stay mostly dry. The Pacific Northwest may see passing clouds and localized showers at times. But widespread high impact weather is not the main story for most locations today. Across the deep south and Gulf Coast, temperatures remain below normal, especially in the morning. Some inland areas may deal with near freezing temperatures early, so protect the basics: people, pets, plants, and pipes, especially where you have hard freezes are possible. As we move deeper into the weekend, we'll continue to watch where the next storm track sets up, how far south the cold air holds, and where snow and ice and travel impacts may expand. So the bottom line for Saturday, cold remains widespread across the eastern half of the country with periodic snow and slick travel concerns, while the west is quieter for many areas under the more stable pattern. I'm Jim Scott, and that's your national weather forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you on another update. Now let's turn our attention to Indiana and Ohio area. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to noon on Monday. We're looking at heavy snow expected, total snow accumulations between 8 to 12 inches. Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim Scott, and we're tracking an increasingly impactful winter setup over the next couple of days, with snow developing later today, heavy snow on Sunday, and very cold air lingering into early next week. For today, we'll stay mostly cloudy and very cold, with a chance of snow developing mainly after 3 p.m. High temperatures will be near 11 degrees, but wind chills may dip as low as minus 10. Winds will be out of the east at 6 to 8 miles per hour. Now, the snow chances are around 30%, and any daytime accumulation should be light, generally less than a half inch today. Tonight, snow begins mostly likely and more widespread. Expect snow with lows around 10 degrees and wind chills near zero. An east wind around 7 miles per hour continues. Snow chances rise to 80% with 1 to 3 inches possible overnight. Looking at Sunday is a day to watch most closely. Snow continues, and the snow could be heavy at times. High temperatures reach near 16 degrees, but wind chills may stray as below zero at 1 degree. Winds turn northeast at 8 to 10 miles per hour, with wind gusts as high as 21 miles per hour. Chance of snow is 100%, and we're looking at additional accumulation of around 4 to 8 inches possible. That combination of heavy snow, cold temperature, and gusty winds may create difficult travel conditions, especially during heavy bursts of snow. Sunday night, snow chances gradually decrease with a chance of snow mainly before 1 a.m. Skies stay mostly cloudy with a low around 1 degree and wind chill dipping as low as -9. North winds around 10 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 23 miles per hour. And your snow chances are around 50% with 1 to 2 inches possible Sunday night. By Monday, conditions improve with mostly sunny skies, but it will remain cold. High temperatures only reach around 9 degrees. Winds will be out of the west at 10 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 21 miles per hour. Monday night turns mostly clear and bitterly cold with lows dropping to around -5 degrees. So the bottom line, light snow develops late today, snow increases tonight, and Sunday looks like the highest impact day with the potential for heavy snow and significant accumulation. Road conditions are expected to deteriorate quickly, especially during heavy bursts of snow. Untreated roads and on bridges and overpasses. The cold temperatures will also limit the effectiveness of the road treatments, allowing snow and ice to stick around longer. Visibility may be reduced at times. Snow-covered roads could make travel slow and hazardous. Why this is a concern? Well, temperatures remain well below freezing and wind chills stay near or below zero. That means snow removal will be more difficult. Icy patches may persist, and any travel issues could become more serious if vehicles get stuck or disabled. Then we dry out Monday, but the cold remains intense. As always, stay weather aware, limit your travel if conditions worsen, and keep checking back for updates. I'm Jim Scott. That's your forecast from the Jim Scott Weather Desk. Stay safe, and most of all, be careful.